May sure say that, or you've seen something like this. When you see these effects on your drinks, in your cocktails, it is not magic, it's not anything. It is an agent known as dry ice. Any ice for you, a ice, like ice block. Yes. Now, what is dry ice? So dry ice is refrigerated carbon dioxide. So we all know, breathe in and out. So you breathe in oxygen, you breathe out carbon dioxide. Now that carbon dioxide, when you freeze it, it can turn into ice, which can give you those kind of effect and those shenanigans, what I say. Now, using this dry ice inappropriately can have certain health effects on the individual who is handling it and the one who is consuming the agent that contains the dry ice. Now, the first thing is, if you consume dry ice without knowing, or if you consume dry ice, you are likely to choke, you are likely to suffer from dizziness, you are likely to have headaches and lightheadedness. This is because your body needs oxygen. Now, if you are putting in carbon dioxide in a form of ice, you can know it means you are depriving your body of oxygen, and that is very detrimental to you as the individual. So please be watchful out there. 2, consuming dry ice can lead to frostbite-like symptoms or burning sensations, which looks like frostbite. Now, when you talk about frostbite, we are talking about the effect that very extreme cold temperatures put on your tissues, i.e. your skin, that's with your hands mostly, and maybe your feet. People who have stayed in countries with snow know about frostbite, and the burning effect that comes with it is similar to that, and you don't want your throat and your internal organs to experience that. So please do not consume dry ice. Also, because it is carbon dioxide in a very close environment, you are likely to cause asphyxiation. It means you are depriving the body tissues of a lot of oxygen, because wherever carbon dioxide is in abundance, it pushes away oxygen. And if that happens, your body will not have oxygen to function. At the end of the day, your brain will be deprived of oxygen. You might pass out. You might even suffer what is known as maybe some form of death to some of the brain tissues or anything. So please be careful out there when you are clubbing, when you are partying, and there's dry ice on your drinks. Please be careful. Now, one thing that you can also experience or have with this dry ice is eyes and skin irritation. Now, when you consume dry ice, or if dry ice gets in contact with your eyes, your naked eyes, you might have burning sensations on your eyes, which can lead to some eye damage, maybe some blindness or any other eye condition, or even some skin irritation. So be careful out there. And also, be careful out there. Make sure that if you're a vendor of dry ice, you handle this agent with much care. Do not hold it with your naked hands or your bare hands. Make sure you protect yourself. Make sure you do not expose people to a lot of dry ice in the claim of trying to have a lot of effect or some shenanigans. This is Connect with Dr. Greg, your favorite pharmacist on this highway. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye-bye.